Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Chrome and click your profile circle at the top right. This is where Sync controls live. Once you see your email, make sure this is the account you want to change because Sync affects bookmarks, passwords, history, everything. If you use a work account, double-check company policies before proceeding. Now, click the profile and select Sync is on or Sync to open detailed sync settings. That first menu gets you to individual toggles quickly, so keep going. In Manage Sync, you'll see options for bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. This is where you control what moves to the cloud. If you want to keep some data syncing, turn off only selected toggles. Otherwise, choose Turn Off to stop all sync. Once done, Chrome may prompt whether to keep data on this device or clear it from Google. Read that prompt carefully. Make sure to choose the option that preserves local data if you want to retain your settings here. After turning Sync off, return to the profile circle and verify it shows Sync is off. That confirms the change. If you want a stricter break, sign out of the account or remove the profile. This prevents accidental reactivation across devices. If Sync unexpectedly turns back on, sign out and back in, clear Chrome cache, and check for extensions that manage accounts. If problems persist, re-authenticate your Google account and reapply the.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.